Hello everyone, in this video we will be covering the world's most advanced price action trading software. A revolutionary Forex trading software that is precise, simple, accurate, and logical. The objectives are to shape the future of Forex, help you achieve consistent profits, as well as help you become an emotion-free trader. We want to help you create your Forex success story. Here in the next minute, you're going to meet the creator of FxPM, Armando Martinez, our FXST chief trader and market strategist with over 15 years of trading experience. He's also had experiences of working with the best interbank traders of the world and developed the FxPM software with world-class software engineers. So without further ado, let me bring on Armando Martinez.
Thank you, Matt, and welcome everyone. Over the years I have learned how technical evaluation and fundamental analysis create the focused consistency to scout the dynamic marketplace. That's why I've created a trading platform that gives you predetermined entry levels with a reasonably tight stop and pre-calculated profit objectives as soon as you enter the move. Combining these high-quality leading and lagging indicators in an overall trading methodology. See, almost every technical indicator is a lagging indicator. First, there's a move in price. Later, the indicator signals a buy or a sell. They lag behind the price action after the fact. On the other hand, leading indicators tell us ahead of time where the market is likely to find support or resistance. The proprietary suite FxPM studies leading indicators. FxPM was designed to advise you of support and resistance before the markets actually get there. This will provide those of you who have not traded with high-quality leading indicators, which is a whole new perspective on the markets. Cutting the learning curve process is our goal, which is a major step forward in regards to Forex trading. The FxPM core objectives are to guide traders in understanding the complexity of making trading decisions, reducing their thought process and enabling them to focus in on becoming precise position traders. There are certain assumptions of FxPM that most often remain true. The markets are in runaway trends infrequently. That markets consist of a series of actions and measurable reactions. That buying dips in an uptrend and selling rallies in a downtrend is a much safer way to trade, in that using predefined profit objectives ensures a high percentage of winning trades. The market, too, moves in a rhythmic pattern, and traders can learn how to visualize these cycles. By discovering the flow's underlying current, traders can monitor the market rhythm and utilize this information to their advantage by realizing profits. One of the key functionalities of FxPM is precise price movement direction indicators, or as we refer to them, PMDs. The PMDs are based on a proprietary data that capture the trend and non-trend activity of the time frame that is being charted. Here is a popular statement in the industry: the trend is your friend. And we all agree, but only if understood and used properly. So let's examine what a trend represents. Think for a moment about how incredibly powerful a crowd can act. When a crowd moves, it wants to move everything and everyone with it. When it stops, it wants to make everything around it stop as well. The crowd has momentum and it has power. It builds a collective energy and attractive energy out of the need to belong, the need for protection, the need for safety. In theory, if a trader follows the crowd and goes with the flow, he or she will not get in trouble, because the nature of the crowd is to protect itself, protect its members. The crowd does not always go in the same direction. It stops and it changes direction, but the crowd is always overreacting and overshooting its goal, because in its wild rush it does not realize that it has gone too far until it sweeps past the target. The key point in FxPM is that the crowd momentum does not stop at some random point in time and in space. It is forced to stop at certain specific areas dedicated by larger or smaller energy flows. All energy flows are wave-like in nature and in their various configurations. Energy flows are the root cause of economic conditions, emotional states, and all collective and most individual actions. One of the problems most traders face is that they are irrational human beings. Most traders prefer lagging indicators because they want the comfort level of seeing a market already in action, already moving in a certain direction prior to their entry. Unfortunately, this kind of comfort comes at a price. Once the lagging indicator is firmly established in a given direction, everyone else sees the move, and they all are getting in about the same time. Now, those who provide the necessary liquidity in the markets, in the FX markets, which are the interbank traders, your market makers, to fill the orders of lagging indicator traders need to make their profit. So what do? They set up the retracement. This retracement typically is to the area where the lagging indicator players place their stops. Now think that for a moment. Haven't you found yourself in positions where so often you enter a trade only to find they precisely come down to stop you out, only to take the trade then the direction that you initially thought it was going in? And in the back of your mind, you're thinking, somebody is looking at my stops. This is the reason right here, why that happens and why that occurs so frequently. The net result is that lagging indicator traders may be right on the market direction, but are too often stopped out before the market goes the way he or she expected to. Our system, FxPM, we determine the location of such dips and rallies with high-quality dynamic leading indicators, which are excellent to scalp the market for a very brief trade. FxPM utilizes the mystical Fibonacci properties in a unique convergence of modern state-of-the-art technology and ancient mathematical genius. Our FxPM software delivers an exclusive multi-timeframe dynamic matrix concept of instant currency analysis of Forex trading action information. Instantly, you can see up to the second price movement information filtered across a 1 minute, a 5, a 15, a 60, and a 240-minute column. What you get is a constant changing data that mirrors price action, the coordination of support and resistance levels in multi-timeframes in an easy-to-analyze matrix. That is the secret edge that traders are discovering with our FxPM software. We find many traders today looking at more than one time frame chart when analyzing the market, but a very few small percentage have been able to master the approach into a comprehensive, effective trading methodology that combines analytical sophistication with discipline and managing skills. In principle, the concept of time frame coordination is simple and clear. Basically, if you can align price action, support and resistance levels on multi-time frames and take action when they coincide and avoid action when they do not reinforce each other, your success ratio will be greater than if you rely on a single time frame alone. This powerful matrix concept provided by FxPM of multiple time frame coordination, combined with the projection of support and resistance areas, provides the trader to accurately and confidently anticipate where the market would react to strong support and resistance levels. The ability to anticipate price action and then to monitor it as it occurs is very powerful. This multi-time period of analysis is the trading edge traders find indispensable. Traders can develop an understanding of price movement. The Fibonacci linear retracement levels determine strong support and resistance positions, both dynamically and in real time. Success in trading depends not just knowing where support and resistance is located, but whether or not that support or resistance will be strong or weak. Knowing when support or resistance is strong and when it is weak is the name of the game in trading. Once a trader can reliably make that determination, then it is possible to trade with sniper-like precision. With our easy-to-view matrix superimposed onto one another multiple time frames, FxPM has proven to be a fundamental advance in the field of technical analysis and one that can significantly improve your trading business. We hope this presentation has been helpful in helping you make a determination whether you're ready for a paradigm shift in your technical analysis of the Forex market. I look forward to meeting you. This is Armando signing off, and I turn it back over to Matt. Thank you, Matt.
Thank you for that presentation, Armando. Now I want everyone to stay tuned for the next video of simplifying uncertainty with FxPM. Until then everyone, happy trading.